Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous class we will discuss about multiplication of matrices along with few examples. In the previous video I have solved this problem but I made some mistake. I request you all, please again you should solve by this property. The method was same and first you need to do that multiplying with BC, the BC getting the matrix. After getting this matrix, again we multiply with the given matrix A. Similarly, the whole matrix can be represented as equation number 1. Later, multiply with AB matrix. Again we get a matrix of order m cross n. Multiply with C matrix and we get the resultant of the matrix. This resultant of the matrix will be represent equation number 2. Now comparing these two equation, that must and should will be equal. Today let me to discuss with some property. Okay, start with properties. Properties of matrix multiplication. So this is the properties of matrix multiplication. The first property, that should be commutative. Commutative law. It means what? Let A and B be two matrices generally matrix multiplication is not commutative, or which is anti-commutative. It is anti-commutative. It means that is AB is not equal to BA. Now we take some example. If you take A is equal to the matrix 1 minus 1 0 2 and matrix B equal to minus 1 2 3 4. So try yourself. The resultant of AB is not equal to BA. So try yourself. The second property, property number 2, that is associative law. Matrix multiplication is associative means A of BC is always equal to AB into C. Most important, be careful. Matrix multiplication is always associative. Already we have taken the previous example, which is associative. Next, the third property, that is identity law. It means what? It means what? So A be the any matrix multiply with I, or I into A, that should be equal to A. So now take some note, or else you take one example regarding identity. You take A is equal to, just I will take small order of the matrix, that is 2 cross 2, 1 2 3 4, multiply with I means what? Identity with 2 cross 2, be careful, same order. Now multiply with AI. A means 1 2 3 4, I means what here? 1 0 and 0 1. Now multiply with AI. I told you the process of multiplication is row into the column. This is first row, this is first column. What is the value? 1 ones are 1 plus 2 into 0, 0. Similarly, first row, second column. How much? 1, sorry, 0 plus 2, bracket close. Later, second row, first column, 3 plus 0, 0 plus 4 is equal to how much? 1 2 3 4. This is nothing but A matrix. Got it? Next, after getting identity law, having some note. The first note is the effect of multiplying a matrix by the identity matrix is unchanged. That is AI equal to IA equal to A. Okay, this is first note. The second note, if the product of two matrices is zero matrix, then it is not necessary. Okay, it is not necessary that one of the matrices is zero matrix. So generally we are multiplying any value. See here, if we are going to be multiplying 5 into 0 is equal to only 0. Okay, but in case of matrices, if we are multiplying two matrix AB equal to 0, remember that A should be not equal to 0 or else B is not equal to 0. Having the case, take down some example regarding this note. A is equal to, take the matrix like 0 minus 1 0 minus 2. Okay, it means what? It is not zero matrix. What is mean by zero matrix? Every element will containing 0, that is called zero matrix. Now it is not at all zero matrix, it is a square matrix having the same order. Better to the same order means here 3500, it is also not equal to 0. Clear? Now multiplying these two, AB is equal to, A means what here? 0 minus 1 and 0 minus 2 into 3500. Okay, 3500 now is equal to 0 into 3 0 plus minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 5 0, minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 3 0, plus minus 2 into 0 0 plus 0, it is equal to 0 0 0 0. So it means what? The product of two matrices is zero matrix. Then it is not necessary. Clear? It is not necessary that one of the matrices is zero. Clear? See here, both the matrices are non-zero, but the product is zero. Clear? Next, fourth, the fourth note, most important for CET purpose, multiplication of diagonal matrix, multiplication of diagonal matrices of same order. Be careful, that is same order will be commutative. Means what? The diagonal matrices of the same order, you take A should be the diagonal matrix of the order is 2 cross 2. Similarly, you can also take it as a diagonal matrix with the order is 2 cross 2. Diagonal matrix means what? Non-diagonal elements are 0, means minus 1 0 0 5. Okay, you take a 5 0 0 minus 3. Now take it here, a into B is equal to what here? A means what? Minus 0, 0, 5. And 5, 0, 0 minus 3. Multiplying these to how much? Minus 1 into 5. That is minus 5 plus 0 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0 plus minus 3 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0 plus 0. Now 0 minus 15. What is the value? Minus 5 0 0 minus 15. This is my AB matrix. Now find BA. Because it is commutative, B means first write the matrix of B elements. Next A, minus 1 0 0 5, it is also equal to minus 5 plus 0 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 0 0 minus 15. What is the value here? Minus 5 0 0 minus 15. Now comparing AB and BA, it is both are equal. It means what? If both are equal, it is commutative. When it is commutative, if two matrices are diagonal matrix, then only it is commutative. Later, now let me do starts with the new concept, that is transpose of a matrix. So be careful, it is important. Transpose of matrix. If there is a matrix A is equal to Aij, which is M cross N. Remember one thing, irrespective of the rows and irrespective of the columns, need not to be a square matrix. If it is square matrix, it is also applicable. Be careful. Any matrix, that should be matrix, means it containing rows and columns irrespective. Then matrix obtained interchanging rows into columns. Now interchanging rows into the columns of a matrix is called transpose of a matrix. It is denoted by, so it is denoted by A dash or A to the power of this symbol, or else A to the power of C. So better we are going to be using, this is A dash. A dash means A transpose. Now for example, if A is equal to, I will take a matrix -1 0 5 3 2 1. Now it is two rows, how many columns? Three columns. Then find its transpose. Okay, it means what? The matrix will containing two rows and three columns. What is the transpose of this matrix? So it means what? I need to be interchange rows into the columns. What is my first row? That should be, make it as in column. Be careful. Row nalirtakantaha element anna column nalli represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First row, first column. See here, second row, it means what? 3 2 1. What is the order of this matrix? 3 rows and 2 columns. See here, that should be reverse. Okay. Properties of transpose of a matrix. The first property, A transpose of whole transpose is equal to A. Just I will take some example. Having let me to take one example ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. A is equal to -1 3 2 1 0 5. Okay, so what is the A transpose? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಇದು 1 0 5, isn't it? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, A ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 1. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 3 0. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 2 5. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ? ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. A transpose of whole transpose is equal to A. Second one. So KA whole dash is equal to K into A dash. It not affected the scalar multiplication. It is affected only matrix. For example, you can take here like okay, 3A transpose means what? Better we should write here A is equal to 1 2 0 1. Okay, this is my A matrix. What is 3A? What is 3A? 3 into A, 1 2 0 1. What is the value? So scalar multiplication, multiply with each and every element. What is the value? 3 6 0 3. This is our 3A. What is 3A dash? 3A dash means interchanging row into the columns 3 6 0 3, isn't it? It is also equal to 3 common the matrix 1 0 3, sorry, 2 1, isn't it? So what is our A transpose? 1 2 0 1. See here, it is also equal to 3 into A transpose, the second property. Later, the third one, most important. Here, let us take a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Please be careful. If we are adding two matrices, order will be same. We cannot be take the different orders. So A equal to 2 cross 2, B always it is also 2 cross 2. Now 1 2 3 4, here minus 1 2 0 1. First we need to do that LHS. So LHS is A plus B whole dash. It means what? We need to do that. The first thing is adding two matrices. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 1 2 3 4 plus B means minus 1 2 0 1. It is equal to, what is the value here? 1 minus 1, how much? Corresponding elements we are going to be adding. 1 minus 1 0, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 1 5. This is our A plus B. Now what is A plus B whole dash? It means what? A plus B whole dash, interchanging row into the columns. Dash means what? Dash means transpose. So make it as a transpose 0 4 3 5. So this is nothing but equation number 1. Later take RHS. Our intention is to make it as both are equal. What is our A dash? A dash means what? A dash means what? That is transpose of A matrix. Now interchanging rows into the columns 1 2, here 3 4. B dash means what? Minus 1 2 0 1. Clear? Now A dash plus B dash. A dash means 1 3 2 4 plus B dash means minus 1 0 2 1. Now adding these two. Be careful. These two statements are differ. A plus B whole dash means we need to do that first sum of two matrix. Later we should do transpose of the given matrix. But here first of all we want to make it as a transpose of A matrix and transpose of B matrix. Then we are adding. See clearly what is the value? 0 3 4 and here also 5. Now equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 becomes, what is the value? That is LHS is equal to RHS. Means what? A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Always true, this property. Clear? Okay, let me to take next property. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash, as it is. So try yourself this property. Again we want to take it as A minus B. Instead of plus, make it as a B. That's all. See here, instead of plus, make it as a minus. I think these value will be differ. I will solve only LHS condition. So you should do that RHS. So A minus B, it is minus. Now here a minus b. 1 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. It is equation number 1. Sorry, it is not equation number 1. A minus b whole dash is equal to what here? 2, 0, 3, 3. Now it is equation number 1. Later, after getting equation number 1, RHS. So RHS, what is RHS? A dash minus B dash. So directly I am going to write here the transpose of A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 minus B dash means minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Subtract these two. 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 2, 3, 0, 3. So this is the equation number 2. Again equation number 1 and 2 becomes a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash, which is also always true statement. The most important is the fifth one, because annual examination purpose, by using this property they may ask you a problem for 5 marks. See here, AB whole dash is equal to B dash and A dash. We can call it as one of the important property. We can call it as socks and shoes law. Okay, it is socks and shoe laws. So later we will solve by using this property. Now take down some examples. So type number 1, just I will be, so make it as a easiest is too easy to solve the problems. Now the first one is, if there is a matrix A of 3 rows 1 column, matrix B will contain 1 row and 3 columns. I should be verified. Most important for annual examination for purpose. Such kind of question will carry 5 marks. Now solution. So be careful. Just I will take here the given matrix. A is equal to minus 2, 4, 5. And B matrix is 1, 3, minus 6. Okay. Just we need to verify whether it is equal or not. Remember one thing, this is our property, always equal. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ರಿದು, ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು minus 2, 4, 5. So B means 1, 3, minus 6. ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ third column, whether AB exists or not. First adana check ಮಾಡಿ. So 3 row 1 column, and here 1 row 3 columns. I told you column of the first matrix is equal to row of the second matrix should be equal, always equal. If it is equal, sorry, not always, if it is equal, AB exists. The resultant of the order is 3 cross 3. Clear? Now here multiplying with first to first column, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. That's all. Now see here, first row second column. Now we are multiplying first row second column. It means the position changes. Minus 2 into 3 is the value minus 6. Now, first or third column, minus 2 minus 6, that is 12. 4 into 1, that is 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. 4 6 minus 24. Here 5, 15 and minus 30. This is mine AB. Now AB dash. AB dash is equal to what here? Transpose first row with first column minus 2, 6, 12. What is the value here? 4, 12 minus 24. 5, 15 minus 30. Okay, later this is my LHS value. Now take RHS. Now the first thing is we have to be take it as a B dash. B dash means 1, 3 minus 6 because transpose of B matrix. Later A dash means minus 2, 4 and 5. I have to do that B dash into A dash. Be careful because matrix multiplication is anti-commutative. Don't take A dash into B dash. Most of the student will do that here A dash into B dash. Be careful. In general multiplication we have taken numbers like 2 into 3 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. In case of matrix is not a commutative property. If it is commutative, the given matrix should be diagonal matrix. So these conditions should be remembered. Now what is our B dash? 1, 3 minus 6. What is our A dash? Minus 2, 4 and 5. It is also equal to. Now multiply with first one, first column. Minus 2, 4, 5, minus 6, 12, 15 and 12 minus 24 and minus 30. This is my equation number 2 and this is my equation number 1. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 becomes, it should be AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. This is the property. Okay, if you write this condition, we will provide full marks. If it is you have been written as a 1 and 2 equation, we will deduct a mark later. Next example. Okay, now in this example, so I should be make it as a plus B transpose. Means what here? A, sorry, they have given here A transpose. Be careful, it is not a matrix. What is this? A transpose. We have a property A transpose of whole transpose can be written as A. Means again I am going to be make it as A transpose of whole transpose. Means 3 minus 1 0 4 2 0 rows into the column, interchanging rows into the column. It is nothing but A matrix. Be careful because it is by property. Now B equal to what here? Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Now adding these two, A plus B is equal to how much? 3 minus 1 0, 4 2 0. A plus B means what here? Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. And it is our a plus b whole dash. It means what? Minus 3 1, sorry, minus 3 1 1 and 5 4 3. Sorry, I will write here. This is mine. A plus b whole dash is equal to what here? Minus 3 1 1 5 4 and 3. This is my equation number 1. Later, and RHS, A dash plus B dash. Already they have given A dash, but we don't know B dash. First write B dash of the given matrix. So here, this is the B matrix. B dash is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Be careful. Now here, A dash plus B dash. A dash means what here? The given matrix 3 4 minus 1 2 0 0. B dash minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 is 1. 2 plus 2 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. This is my equation number 2. Now comparing equation number 1 and 2. Is it equal? No. But having some property, must and should, that should be equal, na? I have been little bit mistake. I think it is minus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2, that should be equal to what here? A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Clear? Next, if in case of A minus B whole dash is equal to what here? A dash minus B dash. Now again here A minus B, but here they have given A dash, means A minus B can be written as 3 minus 1 0 4 2 0, because this is our A matrix, this is our A dash matrix. Be careful. Minus B means what here? Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Now subtract these two. A minus B equal to how much? 3 minus of minus 1, that should be 4. Minus 1 minus 2, that should be minus 3. 0 minus of 0 minus 1, minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Now here A minus B whole dash. So what is the resultant? 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 0 minus 3. Okay, so take RHS. A dash minus B dash. We know that A dash, but we don't know B dash. With the help of matrix B, to make it as a transpose, so directly I am going to write here 3 4 minus 1 2 0 0 minus B transpose minus 1 2 1 1 2 3 is the value here. 3 minus of minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Now this is our equation number 2 and this is my equation number 1. Now comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2 becomes a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash. Okay, so these two problems are for homework. So try yourself. If you have any doubts, you can message or WhatsApp me. You send the WhatsApp. You can message me through my mobile number, that is 9844 786 797. If you have any doubts, okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video.